check water please or others? Okay. Are you ready? Ready? You also a time table?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Time. Welcome, judges. I'm Wallace from Toronto. I get into coffee in the middle of the pandemic, so I cannot share my cup with anybody. So instead, I post my comments online, and to be surprised, most of the people that I interact with are actually the producers. The coffee I'm using today is one of my friends, Mr. Julio Andres in Colombia. He gave a lot of encouraging comments that motivated me to improve my brewing techniques. So I said to myself, one day I want to serve his coffee in the Brewers Cup. So today I'm here with a washed geisha from one of his farms, Finca La Riviera in Colombia. At 1,700 meters above sea level, it is ideal for the geisha varietal. They do quality producing, so they pick only the best cherries, ripest, and the cleanest possible washing to reflect the potential of the varietal itself and their terroir. In continuing with their great works, I roasted it 5 days ago on the Ikawa in the profile that's 8 minutes 40 seconds with only 40 seconds of development to showcase the original taste of what they intended. So, to get to my desired cup, I'm using this shaking device. By doing this and leveling with tapping, I create a flow-free bed for even extraction. I'm using 20 grams and I'll put 288 grams of water together. So let me begin my brew process. My first pour is a 50-gram pre-infusion. After 35 seconds, I do it all the way to 140. The water I'm using is 90 degrees, 100 ppm. At 1 minute 15, I pop it up to 200. I'm switching to a 60 ppm, 60 degree water. By lowering the ppm and the temperature, and bring out more texture and sweetness. This is a very elegant classic geisha. The aroma is very floral. You will find jasmine and all kinds of white flowers. In the flavor, you will also find jasmine together with oolong tea, tangerine, and white honey when hot. The oolong tea will fade out when warm, and grapefruit will kick in. When cold, it basically stays the same, but the balance of the flavor will be different. Sweetness will be higher and a bit less full, making it more juice-like. I want you to assess the aroma now. So please swirl twice and bring the opening really close to your nose. Acidity is citric and reminds you of tangerine and grapefruit. Medium body with a smooth and fluffy mouthfeel when hot, which translates into juicy mouthfeel when warm and even more juicy when cold. We're going to transfer the coffee into the serving cup. Yeah. I believe this coffee represents my perfect daily cup example, and I hope now we are back to normal. I can share more coffee with people face to face, and this is my time.